Okay, question 4. You were given some data. You've got and you're told the question is about the salt potassium nitrate. So we've got the mass of potassium nitrate in grams that dissolves in 100 cubes of water, and you've got a temperature here. So you can see temperature increasing, more of the salt can dissolve in it. The first thing you're asked to do is to plot this data on a graph. Now, they were quite nice in that they did the x-axis for you, so they put the independent variable down there, they give you a nice scale, and you had to pick an appropriate scale on here. Now, you could have picked a range of numbers and how you've gone up, but I've gone up in 50s, and that covers my maximum number, my minimum number in there. And if you look at how I've plotted the data, it's not too squashed together, it's not too sprawled out across the page. It's an appropriate scale we've chosen. Now, you get 1 mark for identifying the scale correctly. You get 2 marks for plotting it correctly. They give you half a square allowance on this, so do be precise. And you should be using pencil, so if you do make a mistake, it's very easy to rub out. I've used some colour pen on here to make it a bit clearer in the video. You then get 1 mark for doing a line of best fit. Now, a line can be a curved line, and if you look at this data, a curved line fits perfectly. Every single data point can get on that line of best fit. Now, I'll talk you through this one. A solution of potassium nitrate is made when potassium nitrate dissolves in water. Describe a method you could use to obtain crystals of potassium nitrate from potassium nitrate solution. You should include explanation of the process by which crystals are produced from solution. Now, the mistake some of you made when you saw this question, you got very excited and went, oh, making salts, and described in detail the process of making salt from scratch. Now, they've made the salt solution. We've got potassium nitrate in a solution. We've just got to get it as in crystal form. So a lot of you spent a lot of time answering a different question, unfortunately. So, key things. To get potassium nitrate crystals from potassium nitrate solution, I've basically got to remove the water. So I could use a water bath to warm the mixture and evaporate the water. And the crystals start to form. And when the crystals start to form, I turn off the heat and allow it to cool. And I can remove some of the crystals out and leave them to dry. Now, there's a few variations of that method, but basically, start making crystals, let them slow down, take them off the heat, slowly crystallise. The crystals form because as the water evaporates, the solution gets more concentrated. So you're removing the water, you've got more of that potassium nitrate in that solution. It gets to the point where the potassium nitrate can't remain in solution anymore, and the crystals start to form. Now, hopefully, that's okay, and that's question 4.